Rap niggas getting off, broke niggas better get on. I ain't trying to hear them bullshit songs, talking that bullshit, throwing out all type of catchphrases. You gon' catch some hot shells with that tech blazing. On the gram, showing off straps, you catch cases. I'm on the road with a bag, bitch, I'm check chasing.
Alright, so far, we removed the bottom case piece, the panel for that, and I removed the top piece. See, we got this steering wheel, so I'll grind it up. When I bought the car, we got a new steering wheel. The previous owner, he was nice enough to give me a steering wheel. So we're gonna take this and remove it. And then I had to undo the torque screws, T30 torque screws on the back on both sides, so I can remove the airbag. Okay. And now we just need to remove the disconnect these wires. It goes through here, so when I pull the steering wheel out, this is all gonna be right there. And then I need to see what size is that. Let's try 13. Too small. Let's try 14. It's a 14. Okay. All right. It's gonna be a 14 millimeter. I actually want to straighten my steering wheel up, so now it's unloosening it. So now it's kind of cocked sideways. I don't want it to come in crooked, so I'm gonna unlock the steering wheel. There. No. It's as straight as it's gonna be. Just wanna make sure it's straight before I take it out. All right. Before I started all this, I disconnected the battery so the airbag won't blow my face away. So it should be straight. I'm gonna grab a wrench for that so I can get it. But I can show you what the steering wheel looks like now.
Talking that bullshit, throwing out all type of catchphrases. You gon' catch some hot shells with that tech blazing. On the gram, showing off straps, you catch cases. I'm
freshly stitched. So this is pretty dope. Stitches is pretty good. Previous owner stitched it right up for me. All right, I got this loose. Use the ratchet. Oh man. So unscrew that. Steering wheel's ready to come out. All right, I got the steering wheel off. And this one's got it off, guys. All right, so now we're done with that old thing. We're just gonna put it all back together. I didn't do a quick. I'm not gonna do a quick release. We're just gonna keep it just regular. So we'll work on that whenever I get another steering wheel. But this one is so dope, so I'm gonna put this one in and just keep it like regular. All right, so we got the steering wheel back on. I tightened it up. Now all I gotta do is put the cruise control back together. The airbag is gonna go back in, and everything's gonna get reconnected. and then we should be able to put this back together, and then I'll show you the final. Show you how it looks in the end. All right, so this is it. I mean, I gotta just put the casing back on and then reconnect it, but I put the screw back in for the airbag, put the torque, I reconnected the horn, cruise control's all back connected. This is connected. There's nothing left to do but put that back on. You guys don't need to see that. So this is the final. That's what it looks like. Steering wheel looks dope. Nice new leather steering wheel. Beats the head out of the old one. Okay, so that's it, man. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot of RSX content. All right, guys.